Yeah.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's a snowy one. We finally got some snow here on Long Island. We got like 7 inches. There's no waves, sadly, but it's a beautiful day. Me and Dylan are gonna go out and explore and hopefully have some fun in the truck, find some deep snow to go through. We are looking pretty fresh, so hopefully we find some fun.
I don't know what we're filming, but we're filming anyways.
You want to try surfing later?
Potentially. Maybe scope out the beach, see if there's waves.
I just want to find an open parking lot.
Look at this. Whoa. Whoa. Just tough, man. Minimal pay. And I mean, I'm standing out here in the Arctic alone by myself. Dude, who the fuck got water on my lens? My ass crack is sticking out. Hey, yo!